sitting that side?
I'm sitting. Ooh. Ooh.
We got to go that side. Oh, Babre. You're so funny. Oh. Pink doggy fell down. Pink doggy. Pink doggy fell down.
Mama.
Oh.
Let me show you head, okay? Put the eggs there and seed. Then like that.
Oh, Babre. Oh, Babre. Oh, Babre. Oh, Babre. Oh, Babre. Oh.
Put it like that. And put it like that.
Harika, what is this? What is written here? I love you this much.
ABCD.
ABCD लिखा है उसमें. देख लो, बताओ फर्स्ट वाला क्या लिखा है?
1, 2.
1, 2, 3 थोड़ी लिखा है. Heart. There is how many pink hearts?
I wanna see the doggy.
Okay. And doggy says, woof, 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 woof. You want to sleep with doggy? You want to kiss doggy? Where is doggy tongue? Look, it's coming out. Big tongue. What is doggy doing like this? Look. Where is doggy lips? Where is doggy lips? Yeah, red lips. Where is doggy pink ear? Doggy has black eyes and brown eyebrows and pink ear.
Okay.
Yeah. Aww. Hey, doggy is wearing pink shoes? Shoes. Legs. Doggy has pink legs? Oh.
And a hand.
Oh, you don't have pink legs. You have pink socks.
And a hand.
You have pink socks, बेटा.
One.
पिंक सॉक्स नहीं चाहिए? हाँ, पिंक ब्लैक चाहिए? तो पिंक कलर में ऐसे करके कलर कर देना तुम, ठीक है? अपने पाँव पिंक कर देना कलर. I love you this much. Mwah.